Well, I almost forgot to do this video. We're doing air fried potato skins. TJ fried these potato skins. It says 360 for 15 to 17 minutes. We put them on 365. And so we've got them going in there. They've been in there, well, they've been in there 7 minutes. Let's see what they look like at 7 minutes. Already looking like they're too done, aren't they? Huh. Well, we may adjust that. We'll see. We may ruin them. But either way, we'll post the video. This is the Gourmet, what, 2 quart, 4 quart air fryer. Okay, we've added some extra cheese to them. We'll see how that turns out. Still showing 7 minutes, so I think we're going to have to take them out before 7 minutes. We may take them out at 6. I mean at 5. We'll see. And we've taken one out at 5 minutes. You know, there's not as much potato in here anymore. These things are not near as good as they used to be. I used to get them all the time, but they're not near as good as they used to be. And like I said, they're about double the price. We'll see how that one is. I think they're done. So we got 4.5 minutes. We added some cheese. I think we're going to just take them on out. I think they're done. We're going to stop it and leave them in there. And we'll see how this one is. There's the shop cat. What's up, shop cat? What you doing? Yeah, Frank's taking his Jag out for a couple of times. We'll probably get a ride in it tomorrow or Monday. We'll see. Shop cat wants a potato. She's giving it the eye. She's putting the cat eye on it. She's putting the hungry cat eye on it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're done. What do they do with all the potato they scoop out? Because they sure don't give you much potato in there. I know they've got to scoop a little bit out to put the cheese and stuff on, but there's just not much potato left in these things. Like I said, they're not near as good as they used to be. And they're double the price. Yeah, I use these little parchment papers in the tray, which makes cleanup a whole lot nicer, or a whole lot easier. Yeah, I think if I hadn't added more cheese and using the sour cream, adding the sour cream to them, I just don't think they'd have been very good. But they're okay, but they're not nearly as good as they used to be. Yes, it had been a long time since I've had these because they had gone up so much in price. I got these buy one, get one free at Publix. If I hadn't got them buy one, get one free, I won't buy them anymore unless I get them buy one, get one free. It's the only way I'll buy them. They're just not that, they're okay. They're not, they're certainly not what they ought to be or what they used to be. Okay, this will probably wrap this up. We'll see. You know, I bet we could make some potato skins from scratch ourselves. That would be real good. Bake our own potatoes, and instead of scooping them out, just break them up inside. Air fry some bacon, and then put it on the potatoes and cook them. I bet they would be real good. We could try that. Now, we have had air-fried hamburgers, air-fried sausage the other day. We've had air-fried grilled cheese. We've had air-fried boiled eggs. we've had quite a bit of stuff, and most everything has been good. That air fryer, I really like it. And but I've got over 100 different product reviews, generators, just all kind of stuff. Reviews. I've got drone videos, underwater drone videos, driving videos, repair videos. I got all kind of videos. So please like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos. There are over 3,000 on the channel. So Shopcat says like, share, and subscribe. Huh, Shopcat? Shopcat says she's not going to pay any attention to us.